Today I'm going to show you how to make vegan avocado toast. It's a fantastic, filling, plant-based snack or breakfast that is simple for anyone in your family to put together with the right ingredients on hand. Welcome back to Comfort Food Farms, the plant-based home cooking channel. If we haven't met before, I'm Kari Greger. I'm glad you've joined us. Let's get into it.
First thing we're going to do is slice that delicious, lovely whole wheat bread. I'm going to use 2 slices because I only need to make half of the recipe. This is the whole wheat bread we made in a previous video. Please see the link above or in the description. Sprinkle it with some garlic salt or garlic powder and toast it until it is just the way you want it.
I know that avocados are not recommended for those of you that are on a strict whole food plant-based diet for health reasons. Even though they are a whole food, they are very high in fat. They have as much fat as peanut butter. But that's why this makes a treat for a Valentine's Day or something like that while remaining whole food plant-based. It's certainly better than Eggs Benedict. And you can spread that avocado very, very thin over the lovely whole wheat bread. Remember, when you make it yourself, you have total control over the fat, salt, and sugar. Good information? Give me a thumbs up below, subscribe, and hit the bell so you know when another recipe is posted.
While the bread is toasting, we are going to start slicing up the avocado. Avocados are really easy to slice up. You want one that is nice and soft enough to mash a little bit, but not too hard. We don't want it like an apple. What I'm going to do, because I'm only going to use half of this avocado, is spray it with lime juice. I keep lime juice in this handy spray bottle, and that cuts down on the oxidation, and this avocado will not turn as brown as quickly in the refrigerator. Cover it with some plastic wrap or put it in a little bag and keep it for the next time somebody wants some avocado toast. Pull that pit out. You can see how ripe this avocado is. And I like to slice the pieces before I scoop out the flesh. If the avocado is ripe enough, you can just take a spoon and scoop it right out. Just kind of loosen it around the sides, and then it should just come out smoothly. I separate those slices so we're ready, and we're just waiting until the toast is done. There, the toast is nicely browned. Spread the avocado out on the toast. You could mash it ahead of a time and just use a knife to spread it on there like it was peanut butter or something like that. But I like to put it on the toast and then just kind of mash it around so that it gets full coverage of the toast. Then I'm using my handy dandy lime juice spray bottle and squirt that on because it adds a lovely flavor. Citrusy, acidic flavor to the toast. Sprinkling it with a little bit more garlic salt. This is up to preference. All of this is to preference, however you like it. Now I'm going to put on the Parmesan cheese. Sprinkle it with black pepper, and we are ready to eat.
Avocado toast. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? I've got the Parmesan cheese on that, and that is my homemade vegan Parmesan cheese made from cashews, but I've also discovered a way to put potato flakes in it, and that cuts down on how many nuts you have to use to make the Parmesan cheese. So, that's really good. I could eat that every day for breakfast, but I know I shouldn't. Oh, another helpful thing is this little spray bottle with the lime juice. This is great for making popcorn. You spray the lime juice on the popcorn and it helps the salt to stick. Mmm. Mmm. Well, if you've got some good information from this video, please give me a thumbs up below. Give me a comment and subscribe. Hit the bell so that you know when another vegan plant-based recipe is posted. Thank you for watching.